So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is update your WhatsApp to the latest version. If not, okay, just check in Google Play Store that WhatsApp is updated to your latest version. Okay, so after updating, what you need to do is just click on WhatsApp and click on top right corner of, okay, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, click on chats. After clicking on chats, click on theme, and you can just choose between light and dark. So it is now light. Now I will choose dark and press OK. So as you can see, the WhatsApp is changed into dark mode. Okay. So this is the whole video how you can enable dark mode in WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit the like and let me know in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And finally, thanks for watching.